When you are the elder brother or elder sister in your family, you have the right to order younger siblings in your home. You can stop them from creating nuisance in the home. You can ask them to sleep before 10 p.m. But it doesn't end there. Along with rights, you also have duties. You are supposed to take care of younger siblings. It is your duty to ensure that they are not afraid of you. So rights come along with certain duties. Agreed? You have to. It's a logical statement, so you have to agree with me. Now, let me talk about something more serious. As citizens of India, we are enjoying fundamental rights. Most of us are. But our job doesn't end there. We're also expected to perform certain fundamental duties. The citizens of the country have to perform their duties properly if we need to function well as a country. Let's take these duties one by one. Obey the Constitution and the laws of the country. That seems pretty simple, right? Every citizen has to follow the rules and the regulations of the country. Respect the national flag and the national anthem. We should stand up in attention when the national anthem is sung. We need to handle the national flag with respect. All of us have to be aware of the rules that we should observe while handling the national flag. All of us should follow the path of non-violence, secularism, and democracy. What does secularism mean? Secularism means all of us that live together in this country can be of different religions, but they are all still recognized as Indian citizens. And of course, democracy, a government by the people, for the people, and of the people. Non-violence is a synonym of peaceful living. All differences must be settled through peaceful discussions or through legal process. Individuals must not inflict violence on others. The concept of non-violence was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi during the independence movement. All citizens must preserve the heritage and culture of the country. That seems pretty self-explanatory, right? We have to be proud of our heritage and culture, and we have to preserve it. If the situation demands, we should protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the nation. What is sovereignty? Sovereignty, in simple terms, is the power of the Indian government to take decisions independently. It means the government functions by itself, without interference from outside forces or foreign countries. Our duty is to make sure we respect the authority of the Indian government, and by extension, also the unity of the country. What does that mean? As citizens of India, we must not support any movement that tries to divide the country into smaller pieces. In other words, we must not support the formation of new countries from Indian territories for any reason. As citizens, we must safeguard public property and defend the country at any cost. That means we should protect our parks, museums, bus stops, and all public assets. If you see anyone messing up public places, you must stop them. And you should not participate in any activity that damages public property. Tell them not to litter the country. If there's a war between India and its neighbors in the year 2050, would you be ready to fight for India? Yes or no? Of course, you will not be called to fight as soon as the war starts. Our troops can take care of the situation in most of the scenarios. But there can be emergencies or mishaps. In such cases, there can be a need for more personnel. If the government requests citizens to pitch in, we must be ready to take up the task of defending the country. That sounds exciting, but Such situations emerge rarely. There are many good things that we can do during peacetime. It is the duty of every citizen to avoid social evils such as dowry and gambling. Indulging in social evils affects the society as a whole. That's why it's called a social evil. As individuals, we must contribute to a better society. Strive towards excellence in their respective spheres. Imagine what would happen if all of us decided to be the best at our jobs. Our best engineers and doctors and teachers and researchers will be constantly trying to get better and better. If we have the best of everything, we will keep progressing as a country.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.